Welcome back to Coastal Boating. Today we got something a little bit different for you guys. We don't normally do boat ramps, but we just happened to be here when this was going down. Unfortunately, we really don't know what these guys were doing. We just came off the water ourselves and we were trying to recover our own jet skis. And these guys were making everybody at the boat ramp mad. This boat ramp only has 2 lanes and it is super busy. If we had the time, we would probably come down here and film more often because I'm sure it's probably just as good as some of the boat ramps you see down in Miami.
And we can put it in or out.
So it turns out these guys are trying to launch this boat. It's not low tide yet, but it's going down. It's not going up. At high tide, the water is almost at the top of the concrete ramp here. Now they're trying to push the boat off. They finally get it off the trailer, but they didn't put any lines on the boat. So now the boat's just floating. I guess their plan was to start it and just drive it, back onto the dock. Well, I guess they didn't check that before they got to the ramp because their battery is dead. Now, we had gotten our jet skis out of the water and we were ready to go home, so I'm not entirely sure what ever happened with these guys, but I do know I could see they were out in the middle of the river with no way to get back to the dock. I think what they did is they pulled a battery out of their truck and got somebody else at the ramp on a jet ski to take the battery out to them. What happened after that, I have no idea. I don't know, maybe somebody gave them a tow back in. But guys, that was my ridiculous Sunday. If you guys enjoyed this video and maybe want to see more boat ramp videos, let us know down in the comments. This ramp is actually pretty close to my house, so we could potentially come down here and film more often.